Spending only 10 minutes and you got 2 pretty rings. Be sure to subscribe to get the latest update as well. The first one is embrace heart. Cut 3/4 of wire. I used 0.5 mm thick wire. Bend in the middle so it has a loop. Use the loop to create a heart shape like what I'm doing now. And it is what the heart looks like. Twist the wire using the classic twists and bend one wire over the other alternately. Measure around your finger and stop the twisting when it is about the length I'm showing you. Cut the excess wires. Bend the ends into spirals. Finally, reshaping the ring, and it is done. The best part of this ring is that it is adjustable, so you can change the ring size if you need. The next one is double love. This one is even more easier than embrace heart. Cut another 3/4 of wire. Bend a heart shape exactly the same as we did for the first ring. another heart in the end. Ta-da! You got the ring! A piece of cake! If you like them, do remember to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. See ya!